I wasted over 10 hours just trying to figure out if free AI video generators actually work or if they're all just scams, and honestly, 90% of these tools, a complete waste of time. Paywalls, watermarks, and those fake free claims. But then, a few tools actually surprised me. In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 best free AI video generators that I personally tested multiple times. I'll compare their speed, their video quality, and most importantly, which one actually saves you the most time. And at the end, I'll pick a clear winner, the one I would personally use if I had to start from scratch. So if you don't want to waste your time searching for random free tools and you just want the best one, watch till the end, because the tool I reveal at the end, almost no one is talking about it yet. Alright, let's start with tool number 1, GeminiGen AI. And honestly, I didn't expect much from this. I thought it would be just another average AI tool, but I was wrong. This thing is actually a surprise beast. Unlimited video generation, no watermark. Let me show you everything, step by step. First, let's jump into the image generator. But this isn't your typical image generator. This tool runs on the Nano Banana Pro model, which can generate images in full 4K quality. And here's the craziest part, unlimited. That means generate as many images as you want, no limits, no restrictions, and most importantly, no watermark. I've personally tested a lot of tools, and honestly, this kind of combination in a free tool, that's rare. Now let me generate an image, and then turn that into a video. Let's start. I'm selecting the aspect ratio. Now I'll type my prompt, a cinematic wide-angle shot of a professional motorcycle racing track at sunset. 3 powerful superbikes including a Kawasaki Ninja, a BMW sport bike, and a third aggressive racing bike, all lined up at the starting line. 3 professional riders standing beside their bikes, not sitting on them. Each rider confidently holding or touching their motorcycle, wearing full racing gear and helmets. Golden hour lighting, dramatic shadows, cinematic atmosphere, light smoke and dust in the air, racetrack markings visible, crowd blur in background, intense mood, ultra-realistic, 8K, shallow depth of field, film grain, lens flare, epic composition, symmetrical framing, high detail, and look at this. This is genuinely insane. Look at the details, the lighting, the atmosphere, all of this from a free tool, 4K quality, no watermark. Now let's move to the video generator. I'm going to use this exact image and turn it into a video. Click on Select Image. Upload the image. Here you can choose the orientation, vertical or horizontal. I'm selecting landscape, 16:9. Resolution, 720p. Now I'll type my prompt, cinematic transition from a still scene into motion. 3 professional motorcycle riders jump onto their bikes at the starting line, quickly sit and start the engines. Close-up shots of hands gripping throttle, engines revving aggressively, wheels spinning. Then the race begins. All 3 bikes, including Kawasaki Ninja and BMW sport bike, launch forward at high speed. Dynamic camera angles, tracking shots, slow motion plus speed ramp, tire smoke, motion blur, intense racing energy, sunset lighting, glowing highlights, dramatic shadows, realistic physics, cinematic camera movement, epic racing atmosphere, crowd cheering in background, ultra-realistic, 4K, action-packed sequence. And let's generate. And here's the result. The camera movement, the depth, the atmosphere. It's just a 6-second clip, but it feels fully cinematic. And remember, this was generated from a free image that I created just 2 minutes ago. Now, overall, this tool is basically a complete package. Video generation unlimited, generating time fast, video quality 720p, duration 6 seconds, no watermark. This is the tool that gives a strong start to this test. And trust me, it only gets more interesting from here. Wait, before we move to tool 2, there's something important you need to know that most people completely ignore. Most creators only show you the final result, but they don't tell you what actually happens when you use these tools every day. Some tools feel fast at the beginning, but after just 2 to 3 videos, they start slowing down. Some tools look free, but in the background, your credits keep getting consumed silently, and you don't even realize when your time is being wasted. I didn't just test each tool once, I used them multiple times with different prompts in different scenarios. So what you're about to see is not some lucky first result. This is real performance, consistent performance. So as we move forward, keep this in mind. Now, let's move to the next part. Tool number 2, Digen AI. And this is completely different from everything else. When I opened it for the first time, honestly, I had no idea what I was looking at, because this tool is not normal. It doesn't just generate one video, it generates 2 videos from a single prompt at the same time, side by side, using 2 different AI models. Think about what that actually means. You're not just getting one output, you're getting a direct comparison. You can literally see which model performs better on your exact prompt. If you want the best possible result, this is a massive advantage. Let's start by opening the tool. As soon as you open Digen AI, AI, the interface feels simple and clean, but slightly different because this isn't like normal tools. Now let's check image generation. Arena AI does have an image generator, but there's a catch. It's not unlimited. And one more important thing, you don't get an orientation selection option here. That means you can't directly choose vertical or horizontal. You have to mention it inside your prompt, whether you want a vertical or landscape image. Now I'm clicking on Generate Image and typing my prompt. A hyper-realistic cinematic 16:9 shot of a small street cat standing in the middle of a quiet road, low camera angle from ground level, the cat looking slightly forward, natural fur details visible, soft sunlight casting realistic shadows, background slightly blurred with depth of field, empty street with subtle textures, ultra-detailed 8K realism, natural colors, no artificial look, cinematic photography style, rule of thirds composition, R16:9. Let's generate it, and here's the result. Looks good. From a single prompt, you get 2 images. You can choose the best one according to your needs. Clean output, no watermark. Now let's move to video generation. Click on the image, select video generation, then continue in the Start New Chat section and click on Generate Video. Now I'm uploading the image and typing my prompt. A hyper-realistic cinematic 16:9 video of a street cat slowly walking forward on a quiet road toward the camera. Smooth, natural movement, subtle paw motion, realistic fur physics reacting to wind, camera placed low at ground level tracking backward, soft, natural sunlight, slight breeze, background gently blurred, natural shadows moving with the cat, no exaggeration, ultra-realistic motion, 4K cinematic quality, R16:9, and I've already mentioned the aspect ratio inside the prompt. You can change it based on your needs. Let's generate, and here it is. From a single image, 2 videos generated, using 2 different models. Now look closely. One video has smoother camera movement, while the other has better lighting and details. That's the real power of Arena AI. You don't have to guess. You choose the best output yourself. Now here's the honest part. Arena AI is powerful, but it compromises on speed. Generating time slow, video generation limited, video quality 720p, duration 8 seconds, no watermark. But the extra benefit, 1 prompt equals 2 outputs, and that's huge, because what you're getting is access to powerful AI models, completely free. If you have patience and you want the best possible output from free tools, Arena AI is definitely worth it. Tool number 3, Qwen Chat. This tool looks simple, but what it offers is actually unique in this list. Unlimited usage, both image and video, generated with no caps, no daily limits, no credit system. Now usually, when a tool says unlimited, there's always some kind of compromise. Either the quality drops, or the speed slows down, or some features get restricted. That's why I didn't just test it, I pushed it in real usage. Back-to-back generations, different prompts, repeated use. And this is where the tool stands out. It stays stable, no random limits. Whatever it claims, it consistently maintains. If you want to create without stopping, Qwen Chat is a reliable option. Let's test the practical performance. As soon as you open Qwen Chat, the interface looks simple and clean. No complex settings, no confusion. Beginner or pro, anyone can use it easily. Let's start with image generation. I'm clicking on the plus icon and selecting Create Image. From here, I choose the resolution/ratio based on my needs and type my prompt. A high-quality 3D cartoon-style cinematic 16:9 image of a cute young boy character standing in a colorful animated city street. Big expressive eyes, soft rounded facial features, stylish hoodie and sneakers, slightly messy hair, warm sunset lighting, vibrant colors, Pixar-style rendering, smooth textures, soft shadows, depth of field, ultra-detailed animated movie look, cheerful atmosphere, R16:9. Let's generate, and here it is. The result is actually strong. Look at the lighting, look at the atmosphere. The image genuinely feels alive. The quality is clean and there's no watermark. Now let's convert this image into video. I click on the image, there's a Create Video option. Click that and type the prompt. A cinematic 3D cartoon 16:9 animation of a cute boy character running happily through a colorful animated city street. Smooth, exaggerated cartoon motion, bouncing steps, facial expressions full of emotion, camera following from front and slightly low angle, building slightly stylized, soft lighting, vibrant colors, depth of field, Pixar-style animation, smooth motion, 4K quality, R16:9. Let's generate, and here's the result. The camera movement feels natural, and most importantly, the atmosphere from the image carries perfectly into the video. The scene literally feels alive. Now here's the honest part. Qwen Chat is not fast. Speed is medium. Video quality 720p, duration 5 seconds. Unlimited, yes, no watermark. But for a free tool that gives unlimited access to both image and video, this performance is honestly impressive. 3 tools in, and I'm genuinely impressed with what free AI can do in 2026. Wait, before we move forward, I need to pause for a second, because what's coming next, Tool 4 and Tool 5, is what actually decides which tool is worth it and which one is not. So far, you've seen some good tools, but now things are about to get real. There's one tool that's so fast you won't expect it, and there's another one, I'm going to be honest, you need to be warned about it first, because it does something something that most creators never talk about in their reviews. And if you don't know this beforehand, you might end up choosing the wrong tool. So for the next 2 minutes, pay close attention. You'll clearly understand which tool you should use and which one you should avoid. Alright, let's move forward. Tool number 4, Meta AI. This works a bit differently from the first 3 tools. As soon as you open Meta AI, within the first 2 to 3 seconds, you notice something. No clutter, no confusion, just a clean space where you can start creating instantly. No credit tension, no watermark headache. Now the real strength of this tool, multi-output generation. From a single prompt, it generates 4 images at once. That means no waiting, no repeated generations. You instantly get multiple options and you can directly pick the best one. Because of this, your workflow becomes faster. No extra settings, no unnecessary complexity, just input and output. If you want speed and faster decision-making, Meta AI is a smart choice. Let's jump into the tool. I'm clicking on Create Image. Here, you can choose the aspect ratio based on your needs. In my case, I'm selecting landscape. Now I'm typing my prompt. A hyper-realistic cinematic 16:9 scene of a young man sitting on a powerful racing motorboat near a beach shoreline. Calm ocean waves touching the sand. The boat slightly tilted in shallow water. The man holding the steering handle ready to accelerate. Wearing casual beach outfit. Natural sunlight reflecting on water. Detailed wet sand textures. Realistic reflections. Ultra-detailed 8K realism. Cinematic lighting. Depth of field. Natural colors. No artificial look. Are 16:9. Let's generate. And here it is. From a single prompt, it generates 4 images at once. Instant multiple options. Now the advantage is clear. You don't have to generate again and again. Just pick the best result and download it. Images are clean, composition is strong, and no watermark. Now let's move to video generation. I select the image, then click on the video option. Now I upload the image and type my prompt. A hyper-realistic cinematic 16:9 sequence of a young man driving a racing motorboat at full speed in the open ocean. Powerful water splashes on both sides, camera starting near the beach, then cutting to a dynamic tracking shot following the boat. Strong wind effects, realistic water physics, sunlight reflecting on waves, slight camera shake for speed impact, smooth cinematic motion, ultra-realistic 4K quality, are 16:9. Let's generate, and here's the result. The motion feels smooth, and the overall video looks realistic. Even with a short duration, the output feels usable. Now the overall breakdown. Video quality 720p, duration 5 seconds, speed fast, unlimited yes, no watermark. If you want a tool where you can quickly generate multiple options and pick the best output, Meta AI is a smart and practical choice. And now, tool number 5, Digen AI. I need to be straight with you about this one. Digen AI works on a daily usage system. You get around 200 credits per day, and you can generate roughly 10 videos daily. On the surface, this looks solid. Show up daily, create, repeat. But there's a clear drawback here. On the free plan, this tool adds a watermark to your videos. And if you're creating serious content, this can be a deal breaker. So why include it in the list? Because it has one practical strength: consistent daily usage. You can come in every day and test multiple variations without long waiting times. So for experimentation, it's useful. But for final, clean output, the other tools clearly perform better. Let's see it in action. Open Digen AI. As soon as you open the tool, the interface looks simple and basic. No unnecessary complexity. Everything is right in front of you. I click on image generation and select the ratio based on my need, vertical or horizontal. It may seem like a small thing, but it directly affects the final output. In my case, I'm selecting landscape. Now I type my prompt. A hyper-realistic cinematic 16:9 scene of a terrified young man standing deep inside a dense jungle. Heavy shadows and dim natural light filtering through trees. Sweat on his face. Wide, fearful eyes. Slightly messy clothes. Fog in the background. Detailed leaves and textures. Handheld camera perspective. Dramatic lighting. Ultra-detailed skin texture. 8K realism. Depth of field. Suspenseful atmosphere. Natural colors are 16:9. Let's generate. Look at the image. Warm tones, soft lighting, clean composition. Overall, the output feels natural and balanced. Now let's take this image to the next step, video generation. I click on the video option. Now I upload the image and type my prompt. A hyper-realistic cinematic 16:9 sequence of a terrified man running through a dense jungle. Handheld shaky camera following closely behind him. Heavy breathing, branches moving as he pushes through. Then, a massive dinosaur chasing him from behind. Ground shaking with each step. Realistic motion blur. Dramatic shadows. Leaves flying. Intense fast-paced movement. Cinematic lighting. Ultra-realistic. 4K quality. R16:9. Let's generate, and here's the result. The motion is decent, and the scene's feel is mostly maintained. But there's one thing you can't ignore. The watermark is clearly visible in the corner, and in real-world use, this directly affects usability. Now let's break it down. Video quality 480p. Duration 5 seconds. Speed slow. Daily limit. Watermark yes. If you're just testing, practicing, or validating ideas, this tool can work. But if you want clean, publish-ready content, I'd personally avoid it. Alright, let's make everything clear in one place. Here's the honest breakdown of all 5 tools. If I had had to choose one winner, GeminiGen AI. Why? Unlimited videos, unlimited 4K images, fast generation, zero watermark. That means a complete package. If I had to start from zero today, I'd pick this without thinking twice. But if you want a strong backup option, Qwen Chat, unlimited usage, no watermark, slightly slower, but consistently reliable performance. In simple terms, GeminiGen best overall Qwen, most reliable backup. So, which tool surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. I genuinely read every single one. And one more thing, what should the next video be about? Drop your topic ideas below. If this video hits 50 comments, I'll make the next video on the most requested topic. And if you've already used any of these tools, share your real experience as well. All 5 tool links are in the description. Go test them yourself and see which one fits your workflow best. Now you know which free AI video generators are actually worth using. But the real question starts now. What if you don't just use these tools, but actually make money from them? In the next video, I'm going to show you step by step how creators in 2026 are generating real income using free AI videos. No investment, no fancy setup, just the same tools you saw today. If you're serious about this, the next video could be a game changer for you. See you in the next one. Don't miss it.